Hello kids, what you have seen in this picture? There is a girl, Neha. Neha sees an apple tree in the garden. So Neha wants to pick the apples. But apples are too high. So she put a stair here to, uh, to go up. Do you know how many stairs are there in this? Oh, let us count these stairs and write the numbers. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So he'll climb 30 stairs. Now Neha picks all the apples and Neha comes down with the apple. Now to come on the floor, how she counts? She start counting. 13, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and after this she come on the ground. The forward counting is in ascending order and the back counting is in descending order. So forward counting is in ascending order and backward counting is in descending order. This is the increasing order and this is the decreasing order. इसमें क्या होते हैं, हम फॉरवर्ड में आगे बढ़ते चले जाते हैं, प्लेस वैल्यू जो है वो बढ़ती चली जाती है एंड इसमें क्या होती है, डिक्रीज होती है. Let us see this. When there is one object, two objects, three objects, you have seen dots are increasing. ये जो dots हैं वो बढ़ती जा रही हैं. 1 2 3 4. You can see these are in increasing order. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is in the increasing order. This increasing order is called ascending order. You can see this is the decreasing order. It become less and at last very few. To go upward is called increasing order and to come downward is called decreasing order. So today we will write counting in increasing order and decreasing order, means in ascending order and descending order. Write the following in ascending or descending order. You are watching na, going upward. Arrow ऊपर की तरफ है, it means we are going upward. Upward means increasing order, that is called ascending order. It is the ascending order. Now we have to write down counting in the ascending order. 4 to 10 means 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is called the ascending order. Now we have to write 5 to 11. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then 25 to 32. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. In this way you have to write down counting in ascending order. This is called ascending order. This is called ascending order. Now we will write down the counting in descending order when we come downwards. जब नीचे आते हैं तो क्या कहते हैं? डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. सो वी विल राइट डाउन काउंटिंग इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. 17 to 12. आप इसे बैक काउंटिंग भी कह सकते हैं. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. And how we write 12 to 7? 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. 34 to 29, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29. In this way, you can complete this page.